Okay, let's pick our cupcake colors.
Now our little froggy mate's gonna divide the markers. Say hi, Froggy. Boing.
So today we're going to draw.
A cupcake, just a simple, cute cupcake.
Yeah, especially because it's almost Valentine's Day. Well, it's more than a month away. But we did notice Starbucks has Valentine's Day cake pops out already. So that inspired us to make a cupcake.
Yep,
You ready to begin?
yep.
Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna decorate our cupcake however way we want. And I'm making a chocolate cupcake. What are you making?
I'm making a confetti cupcake.
Yeah. So we're going to start with the cupcake base, the cup, right? Okay, so in the middle of your page, kind of towards the bottom to leave room for a big cupcake icing decoration up here. Oh, what you doing?
I'm making the list area of how to make the cupcake.
All right.
Because I still have room.
Yeah. So Mia's gonna draw in her space here. I'm gonna draw in the middle. Okay, so let's draw a diagonal line down, inward a little bit. And then another line to the side. This is the base. And then another diagonal line upwards. And our cupcake base is gonna have little bumps on it for decoration. So just make a few bumps to connect your two diagonal lines. Great. Awesome. And then we're gonna draw the cupcake part right up here. It's gonna be a little flat so that we have room for all the icing and decoration we wanna make. So we're going to draw a little line up and a flat top and then a curved line down again. This is our cupcake cake part. And then the icing. So the icing, I'm going to have 2 layers.
Me too.
You too? Okay, so we're gonna draw another round, a flat top, but a little bit rounder shape on top. So start a little bit inward from the cupcake base and do a curved line up and curve all the way around, kind of like a sideways C again. Yeah, good job. And this one is gonna have a pointy tip, okay? So curvy up and pointy, and then curved line down. You think you can do that? Good job! Yeah, awesome! And that's it! Now it's time to decorate your cupcake however way you want. Make sure you make it colorful or make designs that you think would make this cupcake look delicious. So let's get started. One thing I'm gonna do is make little lines on my cupcake cup so that it looks like it's scrunchy. You know the scrunchy part of the cupcake cup? Are you drawing a face? That's so cute. I love that. And I'm gonna color my cupcake cake this chestnut brown because it's a chocolate cupcake. What makes the best cupcake?
Good frosting.
Good frosting?
That goes well with the bread.
Oh. What makes a good frosting then?
It has the right sweetness.
That's what I was thinking too. I actually also think the cake makes it really good too. It needs to be perfectly moist. Right?
If it's hard, it doesn't taste good.
Yeah.
It tastes like a burnt brownie.
Yeah. How do you know what a burnt brownie tastes like?
I think a burnt brownie tastes like smoke, and it's really hard.
Yeah, that's a good description. Cool. I'm going to have sprinkles in my icing. If you had to pick one dessert that you can have, only one dessert, what would it be?
Oof. I don't know.
Is that a hard question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll give you a choice. Cupcake or cake or brownies or ice cream?
That's a hard one. I think it would be that chocolate brownie shake you had.
Oh, a milkshake. Oh, that was delicious, wasn't it? You pretty much stole my milkshake.
It's good.
It was really good. I like milkshakes. Well, I like ice cream and milkshakes.
Got some more colors.
Mm.
Gonna make rainbow frosting.
I would pick ice cream.
Not chocolate? Or your fika cookies?
Yeah, I do enjoy my fika time. For our art along friends who might not know, fika is a Swedish word for the coffee break, where you have time with your loved ones and you spend time drinking coffee and having cookies.
You love your fika time.
I do. I used peacock green for our New Year's snake, remember?
The girl one, not the boy one.
Yes, the girl snake.
You use acid green for that one.
Yep, acid green and acid yellow I used for our New Year's boy snake. And if you all want to check it out, you can find it in our channel. It's the New Year boy snake and girl snake. I love it when desserts have glitter on it.
I don't really like it when they have glitter on it.
You don't?
I mean, it's pretty for decoration,
Yeah.
but I don't like how it's so crunchy when you eat it.
Oh, I see. I love it when they have the gold flakes.
Yeah, that's pretty.
But what should I write here?
I don't know.
Okay. How about
Be delicious?
be delicious? Cupcake Valentine? Valentine cupcake?
I don't know.
I just want to write have a cupcake. Or want a cupcake?
Have a cupcake.
Do you have any cupcake jokes I can write?
Ooh, I have a good one. Why did the cupcake go to the hospital?
Because it was eaten?
He was feeling crummy.
Did you make that up?
No,
Oh.
I just put the cupcake in there. It's for a cookie though.
Oh.
It's supposed to go, why did the cookie go to the hospital? Because he felt crummy.
Oh, I get it. I get it. I spelled cupcake with a cake. I mean a K.
That would be perfect for if we drew a cake.
Mm-hmm. Making these lines so that it kind of looks like sprinkles.
Oh yeah.
The goal is whoever watches this video is going to want cupcakes. I kind of want a cupcake right now.
You're usually not the one that wants sweets.
I know, but this cupcake looks really delicious.
This cupcake looks delicious.
Okay, do you think we can share a cupcake? Maybe?
Then we're gonna eat paper.
Can I borrow your
Yeah.
rose red? Okay.
I think we're done.
Yeah. There you have it.
Valentine cupcake?
Yeah.
Just a cupcake.
Just a cupcake. A delicious
Just
cupcake. Thanks for drawing with us.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye.